In this guide, we'll show you how to fix the issue of no sound on your iPhone. If you find this helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. This issue can be quite frustrating since it prevents you from hearing any sound. Let's jump right into fixing it. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open the control center. Make sure the volume is turned all the way up. Next, try playing audio from different apps or sources to see if it's a specific app causing the issue. If that doesn't work, head to your iPhone's settings. In your settings, look for Bluetooth. Your Bluetooth may be on, which could be causing the sound to play through a connected device. To fix this, tap on your devices and disconnect or remove them by pressing the I button next to them. Alternatively, you can turn off Bluetooth completely. Also, check if there's anything plugged into your iPhone, as this could be routing the sound through that device. If so, unplug it and see if that resolves the problem. While you're in the settings, it's also a good idea to check sounds and haptics if you're having issues with ringtones or alerts. Try increasing the volume there as well, since it may be too quiet. Another solution to try is performing a force restart. To do this, press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button, and finally, press and hold the side power button. Keep holding it until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once your phone restarts, the problem should hopefully be fixed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like.